Guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's your favorite YouTuber. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you guys a DIY fastest way to tighten your body down there. Yeah, this video is definitely for the ladies. So you're looking for a way to tighten down there, to tighten your vjj, to tighten that place over there, this is the video you're going to continue watching. We're going to be using groundnut, peanuts or groundnut or peanut, whatever you call it. This is what we're going to be using. This peanut groundnut is super effective to help to tighten down there, and we're going to be using 5 tablespoons of these. 5 tablespoons. So let's go. So this is 5 tablespoons. Okay, so you might be wondering, okay, we've gotten the peanut, the groundnut, what should we do next? We are going to boil these in a 75 cl of water. Yeah, we're boiling this using 75 cl of water. We're going to boil for 10 to 15 minutes until the color of the water changes to brown. Yeah, so let's go and boil it right now, and I'll be back to show you guys the after results of it. Okay. So guys, our groundnut water is ready. Oh, as you can see, it's looking so brownish. The color has changed to brown, and this is how it should be. Okay, so we're going to strain out the water, which is what we need. This is the groundnut water. This is how it is. This is what it should look like. Okay, so we're going to serve now. This is how you should do yours also. It's freaking hot, like super hot. Yep. So guys, this is the groundnut water. This is the color change I told you about, and to be brown. Yeah, you should take this water once a day, once daily. Do this for 7 days, and I guarantee you're gonna see great results down there in your body. You're gonna see changes in your body. Your hobby is gonna testify about it. Okay, so guys, thanks for staying true with me. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe also. Turn your notification bell to get notified on my new videos. Okay, and you're welcome to the family. I post 4 times a week: Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays. So you're welcome to turn on notification bell to get notified. This video is the bomb. This drink is that one drink every woman needs. So like, comment, share to your friends, share to your family members, tell everyone about the channel. Okay, so bye guys.